With our Plaza Tower Skyview camera brought to you by the Tyler Neurosurgical Associates, we are seeing some cloud cover out there with passing through the sun, and the clouds were a little bit thicker about a couple of hours ago. They have since started to break away a little bit, especially along and south of Interstate 20. Now, as we take a look at satellite and radar as a whole, because the sun is broken out in places like Tyler and Henderson down to Nacogdoches and Lufkin, we're in the upper 80s to low 90s already. Where we have some rain cooled air like in Gilmer and Mount Pleasant, it's still only in the upper 70s. So if you want to make that drive from Tyler to Gilmer, you can enjoy some cooler temperatures for a brief moment in time. But as the sun gets out and going there, it's going to heat up quickly. Now into deep East Texas, when you factor in the humidity, it feels like it's 100 degrees to your body in Crockett and in Hemphill. So it's definitely still summer in deep East Texas, but enjoy these cooler temperatures up towards Mount Pleasant, Gilmer, and Marshall. Certainly pretty nice compared to where we have been as of late. Now the normal high temperature is 96 degrees. We are going to see the temperatures only warm up from here yet again. The reason why we had the rain showers and thunderstorms move in this morning is because that ridge of high pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere has receded to the south and to the west of us, but it's going to build right back in to our area and warm us all the way up to 105 degrees for the high on Friday and on Saturday as well. And we're still in the middle 100s by the day on our Sunday. Of course, with the heat has come the dry weather, and that has led to burn bans across now most of East Texas. They keep creeping farther and farther northward. Again, deep East Texas has some of the driest air out there, and then it gets gradually more wet the farther north you go, but not wet enough as far north as Marion, Upshur counties, and Van Zandt counties, Smith and Gregg, all underneath a burn ban now. Even if you're not under a burn ban, I would avoid outdoor burning because we're going to see the winds picking up pretty soon here, and any fires that do develop can spread very easily. Now, as we take a look at the precipitation outlook for the 6 to 10 day outlook there, valid from August 13th, this coming Sunday through next Thursday, we'll be back to below average rainfall chances in deep East Texas in the areas that need the rain the most. What this tells us is that the drought is not going away anytime soon and only looks to expand from here. For our day today, we climb up to 100 degrees with isolated showers and thunderstorms. Still a possibility as we head into the afternoon and evening. It will still be confined to areas mainly north of Interstate 20. Otherwise, we're seeing sunshine along with some passing clouds and a south wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. For tonight, we'll drop down to the lower 80s out there. We'll start out mostly clear, become partly cloudy. Can't rule out a stray shower or thunderstorm once again north of I-20. Winds are starting to pick up though overnight out of the south, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Those higher winds will take us into the day on Wednesday, which will increase the fire weather danger. We should be dry during the day on Wednesday. Storm or two possible Wednesday night, once again favoring areas north of I-20, and then we're hot and dry into the weekend with those highs back into the middle 100s up to 105 Friday and Saturday. Those 2 days will be the hottest of the next 7. And then for deep East Texas, it is more of the same, although we should see no rain chances through at least Sunday, and then by Monday there will be a chance for some isolated showers and thunderstorms out there, but rain chances only at 20%. It will take a lot more rain than that to eliminate the drought, so continue to take those fire weather precautions. Don't do any outdoor burning. Make sure to dispose of cigarettes properly and things like that so you can prevent any fires from spreading. And for your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website. It's on the screen.